Today, you will learn how to make section symbol in Word. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. Let's start with the fastest method, but this works only if your keyboard has a numeric keypad on the right side. First, place your cursor in the document exactly where you want the section symbol to appear. Now, press and hold the Alt key on your keyboard. While holding Alt, type 0167 using the numeric keypad. Make sure you are using the numeral keys on the right side, not the numbers above the letters. As soon as you release the Alt key, the section symbol paragraph will instantly appear at the cursor position. This is the quickest method and perfect for people who use this symbol frequently. If your keyboard does not have a numeric keypad, don't worry at all. You can still insert the section symbol easily using Word's built-in symbol menu. First, click where you want the symbol to appear in your document. Then go to the top ribbon and click on the Insert tab. In the Insert tab, look for the Symbols section on the right side and click on Symbol. A small menu will open. From there, choose More Symbols. A new window will appear on your screen. In this window, click on the Special Characters tab. Scroll through the list until you find the section symbol, click on it, and then click the Insert button at the bottom. You will see the section symbol added exactly where your cursor was placed. Now here is a very powerful trick that most beginners don't know. If you use the section symbol often, you can create your own keyboard shortcut so you never have to open the symbol menu again. To do this, open the Insert tab again, go to Symbol, and click More Symbols. In the Special Characters tab, click on Section, and then click on Shortcut key. A small window will open asking you to press a new shortcut key. Click inside the box and press the keys you want to use as your shortcut, for example, Alt plus Control and D together. After pressing the keys, click the Assign button and then close. From now on, whenever you press that shortcut in Word, the section symbol will automatically appear at the cursor location. This saves a lot of time, especially when working on legal or academic documents. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and powerful Microsoft Word tips.